Hi everybody, I'm Nour from English Planet with Nour. Before you watch the video, don't forget to thumb the video up and click the subscribe button and turn on the little notification bell. How are you today? Today we're gonna talk about some sorts of vegetables to make green salad. Are you ready to make green salad with Chef Nour? Okay, if you're ready, keep watching and don't go anywhere. Stay tuned. Today we're gonna talk about only 5 sorts of vegetables today to make green salad with Chef Nour. Are you ready? First of all, we have cucumber. What's this? It's a cucumber. What line does it take? It takes a standing line, which is called vertical line. Very good. It's a standing line or vertical line. What the color of cucumber? It's a green cucumber. Do you like cucumber? Do you like it? Eat cucumber. It's yummy. I really like cucumber. It's healthy for our health. And this is the first type of our vegetable for today to make our green salad, cucumber. And this is a sleeping line, as we agreed upon that this is a sleeping line, and this is a standing line or vertical line. And this is a horizontal line or sleeping line. And it's a cucumber. It's a green cucumber. I really like cucumber. And it's the first type of green salad. Okay, let's recognize the next type of our green salad for today, which is tomato. Do you like tomato? I really like tomato. What's the color of our tomato? It's red tomato. What's the color of tomato? It's red tomato. Very, very good. And what the shape does it take? It's round and smooth. It's round and smooth. What's this? It's a tomato. And what's the color of our tomato? It's red tomato. Do you like the color red? I have a red heart on my chef hat and a red tie. It has a circle shape. We can say it's a circle shape. Circle. Can you write circle in the air? Up, round, and round. Super excellent. Well done. Circle in the air. Stop the video. And what's the third type of our vegetable for today? It's an onion. What's this? It's an onion. It's an onion. Again, it's an onion. Great. What's the color of our onion? It's purple. It's purple. Do you really like purple color? I really like purple color. What does it taste? Sour, and it has a very strong smell. Onion. It has an icky smell. I don't like onion. What's the shape of an onion? It's like a diamond. Do you like a diamond? Like we can wear a diamond? Let's make a quick revision about onion. This is an onion, and its color is purple, and it has a diamond shape. You got it? Okay, let's move on the next part. Okay, let's move on the next type of our vegetable today, which is, wow, what's this? It's a pepper, or we can name it a pepper. Okay, what's this? It's a bell pepper. It's a bell pepper. It's a bell pepper. Very good. It's very spicy and hot. Okay, don't eat it because it's spicy. Oh, it's spicy. Oh, give me some water. So it's a bell pepper. What's the color of our bell pepper? It's green. It's green. Very good. Okay, so what's this? It's a bell pepper. And what's the color of our pepper? We have green. 3 colors of pepper. Green, red, and yellow. Okay, what do we have for today's green salad? We have lemon. A lemon. It's sour, but it's tasty. I really like lemon. I pinch lemon on all types of my food. Do you like you to eat lemon every day in the early morning because it's very healthy for your health, especially fight COVID-19. Let's move on our session. What's this? What are the colors of our lemon? They are 2 colors. Yellow, like this one. This spot is yellow, and green. So we have 2 colors of lemons, yellow and green. Okay, what's this? It's a lemon. What's this? It's a lemon. And what's the shape of our lemon? It has a circle shape, and it goes round and round, and it's smooth. It's smooth. Okay, let's move on to the next part of our session, which is the instructions of how to do the green salad. For today, stay tuned and don't go anywhere. We're gonna complete our session after this pause. Back for now. Hi there, we're back. Let me tell you what are the tools that we use for today, our green salad. First of all, we have a tray. This is called a tray. What's the color of our tray? It's blue. Blue tray. Very good. And what else? And we have a small knife. It's sharp. Don't put your fingers here in order not to be hurt. Don't put your fingers here in order not to be injured. Okay? I suppose you cut this green salad with your mom. Don't cut it alone at your home. Okay? Let's move on our all these types of salad before cut step is chopping the cucumber into circles. How? Here's how. Cut the tip of cucumber like this and the end of cucumber. Got it. Very good. Like this. I have cut the tip of cucumber and the end of it with the knife. That don't use the knife alone without the observation of your mom or dad. Now, we are cutting or chopping the cucumber into circles. Some circles like this. We have cut the cucumber circles and now we're gonna cut each circle into small cubes like this. First of all, you have to cut the circle in a vertical lines of cucumber and then cut the vertical line in a sleeping lines like this to get to the cube shape. Can you see the small cubes of cucumber? We just cut each circle into small cubes like this. And now, next step, we're gonna chop the tomato in vertical and horizontal lines to get small cubes of tomato. Let's see. First and foremost, 2 halves and cut this piece and throw it in the basket. Like this. Again, let's see how. Here's how. Cut the tip, this green icky stuff from the basket. Our tomato is clean. Let's cut the tomato into vertical lines like this. Vertical lines. We've cut the tomato into vertical slices. This is called a vertical slice and this is called a vertical slice. What then? We're gonna cut each vertical slice into sleeping or horizontal slice. Let's see. Let's chop it into small slices like this. Let's chop it into small slices like this. We have finished cutting tomato and cucumber into small cubes like this. Those are small cubes of tomato and those are small cubes of cucumber. Are you ready to the third step of our instructions, which is chopping the bell pepper into small slices? Let me see you how. Just a minute. It's red with yellow. Again, it's red with yellow. Let's cut this piece and throw it away. Look, what's inside it? Nothing. There are no seeds inside our bell pepper. Now it's ready to be cut. Let's see. Look, those are pieces of our bell after cutting and chopping it. What then? Let's cut each one into vertical lines. Let's see. It's time for chopping our green bell pepper. And we're gonna imitate all the other steps of cutting the red and yellow pepper. Cut this piece and throw it in the basket. And then put all the icky stuff or these seeds in the basket in order not to feel hot or crispy. There are no seeds inside. And then these are the seeds of pepper. And we have to get rid of it. It's time for chopping the pepper. Let's chop our pepper. We finished cutting and chopping the pepper, the green, yellow, and red ones, like this. Look. We have pepper, cubes of tomato, cubes of cucumber. What else? Who can remind me with the last type of our vegetable for today's green salad? let's see. Yes, super excellent. We have onion. I have cut the onion into small pieces like this to get small cubes of onion. Those are small cubes of onion like this. I cut it before the session because it has a strong to be stuck in my clothes. It's cut already. Now let's put the onion here. Our green salad is ready. We have some little bit objects to put on it to be delicious and yummy. What are these objects? Lemon. We're gonna cut the lemon into 2 halves like this. And the lemon into the salad. This is called vinegar. Look. And olive oil. This is our plate of green salad that we have organized and prepared it together. And it's ready to be eaten. Let's eat it together. Yummy. It's really yummy. Can you prepare the green salad plate at your home? If you helped your mom at the kitchen and the green salad with you, sum the video up. Click the subscribe button and turn on the little notification bell. And if you like our video for today, don't forget to thumb the video up. Bye for the next session.